Hey everyone, I'm here with Nakanakari. We are going to show you how to create a score for your tickets. So the idea here is to use more than one field and calculate a score, and based on that, show if it's a high score or low score, and then use the color conditioning to just highlight the important things that you need to add for your process. And we will also show you a little bit about the app itself, how to build it, how to calculate this kind of scores, and the idea behind the app. So, Fernando, how does it work? And when should we use this kind of process?
Cool. So the idea behind this is basically to give you guys an example of how to set things up in Gesture so you can have scores and have like a way of sorting out what's important, what's not important, and so on.